Let me ask you something. Are you really happy with who you are right now? Be honest. Are you living the life you once dreamed of? Or are you just existing? For years, you've been telling yourself, I'll change, I'll be better, I'll start tomorrow. But let's be real. Tomorrow never comes, does it? This is your moment. After watching this, you won't just say goodbye to your old self, you'll destroy it. But only if you stay with me till the end. Think about it. How many times have you started something with excitement, only to quit halfway? How many times have you looked in the mirror, tired of the same excuses, the same lack of progress? You already know what you need to do, but fear, laziness, and doubt keep pulling you back. Isn't it exhausting? Enough is enough. You weren't born to live in this loop of failure. And today, that cycle ends. Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow unstoppable. No hesitation, no overthinking, just pure, focused action. You look in the mirror and finally see someone you're proud of. That version of you, it's already inside. It's just buried under doubt, bad habits, and excuses. And right now, we're going to break every single chain holding you back. Others have done this. They built unshakable discipline. They crushed their goals. They silenced years of self-doubt. And here's the truth, most people won't. They'll hear this, nod, then go right back to scrolling. But not you, not this time. This time you're taking action, and it starts with one word, commitment, so prove it.